guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys a multiplication trick using lines. Well, before we get into the video, I just wanted to apologize for not making a video in a while. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, you guys have to pay a close attention to this because this might look tricky, well it actually isn't. You guys like drawing, so this is going to be fun. Okay, so the question is 12 times 13. 12 times 13. This might seem tricky, while it actually isn't. With the help of Easy Math with Floyd, it's going to be as simple as ABC. Okay, so first of all, you guys have to draw one diagonal line like this. One. And then two diagonal lines spaced out over here. Spaced out from this line. One and two. Okay, now since there's 13, the 1 starts from the bottom over here. 1. And the 3, you draw 3 lines from the top. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now you guys have to look at it like a rhombus. Like this. Now you guys have to divide it like this. So, this. So I'm going to circle these two together, and why I'm doing this is because in the middle they're both the same and they're both together. And like this. Okay, now you guys have to count how many dots there are over there. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write a 6 over here. Now you count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write a 5 over here. 5. And count this. 1. See? That wasn't that bad. That was really simple. So the answer is 156. Okay, let's go to question 2. Give me 1 second. Oopsies. I just erased that. Okay, for question 2, it's 231 times 421. So you do it the exact same way you did 12 times 13. So first of all, draw a diagonal, 2 diagonal lines this time. 1 and 2. Then 3 diagonal lines in the middle, spaced out from the diagonal lines. So 1, 2, and 3. Then you draw 1 diagonal line over here. And since we're going to the second numbers after the multiplication sign, you start from the bottom. So 4 lines from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, you draw 2 lines in the middle. 1, 2, then 1 line on the top. 1. Now you look at it like a rhombus. And then you divide it like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. And then like this. And then like this. Okay, and then there's actually a line over there. Okay. So now we count. Oops. Yep. 1. So there's 1 over there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write a 5 over there. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you write a 12 over here. And then you go to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 13, 14, 15, and 16. Try not to forget this one. 16. And then this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're not done yet. Since these two are one-digit numbers, these two are two-digit numbers, and that's not supposed to be. So you always have to give away if it's a two-digit number, and always give away the first number to the left. So you give that away, and this isn't a 12 anymore. It's a 2. So then it's 16 plus 1, which equals 17. And how we got 17 is because the 12 was so generous and gave away the 1 to the 16, which made it 17, and this one a 2. And then since this is also a two-digit number, 17 was very generous and gave 1 to 8. So this is not 17 anymore, it's a 7. And this is a 9 because 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the answer is 97,251. 1,251. 151. Boom. It's not that hard. Now, I'm just going to give you guys a heads up. Pay a very close attention to question 3 because it has a 0 inside of it. So, since it has a 0, I'll show you how you do it. Okay, it's not going to be tricky, trust me. Okay, so you draw one diagonal line like this. Let's take blue and draw this line. And why we used a blue is because the blue means 0. And that's why we drew a 0 line over there. So then, take the black and draw 2 diagonal lines over here. 1, 2. Okay. And then you draw 3 straight lines on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And then 1 straight line in the middle. 1. And then 2 straight lines on the top. 1 and 2. Now look at it like a rhombus. Okay, so then you take another color and then you start to divide them and group them. Okay, this one over here, this one over here, and then this one over here, and this one over here. So how we do this is you still count this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put a 4 over there. And this is where the trick part comes. And this is why you should pay attention. Since there's a 1 line over here, which is blue, which means it's 0, you don't count this top. This top over here is nothing. It's 0. So then this is the only 2 that matter, 2. And that also applies for the middle. So you only count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip this, that's 0, then 7 and 8. So 8 is over there, then the same thing applies to this. This whole part doesn't count because there's a 0 line over here. So then it's 1. Right. So then 1, 2, 3. So then your answer is 31,824. 1,824. 1, 2 times 3, 1, 2, equals 3, 8, 2. Here's your homework. You guys love homework. Okay, so this is your homework. Make sure you use lines to figure it out. Okay, so your homework is this. See you guys in the next video. Peace.